If you own 100,000 Kaspa, you must watch this video. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to do our daily update about what happened to the Kaspa price since yesterday. We will see also the rank, the market cap, the hash rate, the categories and the top 10 addresses. Then we're going to move into the technical side of Kaspa and also into the technical side of Bitcoin. And we will close the video with something very interesting that you must know if you hold above 100,000 Kaspa coins, or even if you hold like 50,000 Kaspa coins, because it's going to be really interesting, the things that I'm gonna show you. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with the Kaspa price that is starting today, guys, at 13 cents. And it's insane. Like before a couple of weeks, guys, we were speaking for prices like 4 cents, 5 cents, and right now we are above 13 cents in November of 2023. It's crazy. Middle days of November and we are above 10 cents, and we are above like 13 cents the time that we are speaking, with an all-time high close to 15 cents. This is insane. Okay, this is insane for Kaspa. Kaspa adoption came way earlier. Like even the most bullish guys like me couldn't expect that. That's how fast this can happen. Like it's crazy. And obviously I'm not even in a shock right now. I told you, I won't be shocked if I see Kaspa under top 30 the next coming weeks. I told you that. It's very, very possible scenario to happen. And if you go watch actually all my previous videos, like before 3 months, like in summer, if you watch all my previous videos, you will see that I was warning you for these things. Okay, I was warning you. I was warning you that Kaspa will explode sooner than you think, into levels that you cannot even imagine. And right now we are in these levels and it's crazy. Okay, crazy. Some people, I tried to convince lots of people before 5 cents, guys, look, Kaspa is under 1 billion, go buy. It's super cheap. I warned you multiple times that if Kaspa will be above 1.1 billion from a market cap side, it will never ever come below under 1 billion. And this is what happened. Okay, right now we are at 2.8 billion market cap. Insane. Okay, that's incredible. And look the rank 28, guys. We are under top 30 coins. I told you, and my prediction of about how Kaspa would move in the short term, it was like before BTC halving, Kaspa will be under top 20, under top 15, and Kaspa, if it's gonna continue with that way, guys, Kaspa will be under top 20 even before the 2023 ends. Okay, that's insane. So rank remains right now top 28, as I told you. And let's see from the CoinGecko that look at what cryptos we have ahead of us. We have Monero, Stellar, OKX, Uniswap, Bitcoin Cash, and Toncoin. These projects can be flipped like easily when Kaspa will be listed in top tier exchanges. Kaspa is still not backed by top tier exchanges and it's standing at rank 28. It's ultimate impressive where Kaspa is standing without any top tier exchange behind it. Imagine what's going to happen when Binance will list spots Kaspa, Coinbase will list spots Kaspa, OKX, Crypto.com, Kraken, Gemini, Huobi, all of these exchanges will list Kaspa. Guys, the market cap, and mark my words, it's gonna be under top 15 coins, okay? It's gonna be under top 15. It can happen, and this can happen before the BTC halving, okay? So for some people, yeah, we are early. We are still early, and for those who buy from now, you must know what you are investing. This is the first thing that you need to do. It's not only to invest in Kaspa because you hear me or you hear around about the Kaspa, the next big thing or whatever. You need to investigate by yourself to understand what you are investing. Because do not forget, that the more whales that we have right now, the more institutional investors, the more price manipulations we will get in the road of to get into the top, okay, to get into the position of under top 20, under top 15. So the price won't go always straight up. Also, we will have like the days that lots of fat will emerge, okay. Even now we have lots of fat that the futures from exchanges will manipulate the Kaspa price. So have this in your mind. It can happen, and if price of Kaspa will do correction 40-30%, you must know what you are holding. If you want actually to sleep well in the night, okay, because people in these prices put life savings all in. They didn't buy at 5 cents, they buy now with all in life savings in 13 cents, and that's something that it's dangerous, okay, because if you're inexperienced and you put life savings above 10 cents in Kaspa and you see Kaspa at 8 cents, back to 8 cents, maybe that's gonna create you a situation that you won't be able to handle it, okay, emotionally, I mean. So you need to be aware of what you are investing and where you put your precious money. If you're okay with that, nothing wrong to buy the top, because in reality, we are still so early. Kaspa right now is at 2.8 billion. And for me, guys, it has a potential for 100 billion, minimum 200 billion, within 299 billion as a conservative. And I believe we can get above 300 billion with maximum 500 billion or even more. Who knows? Okay, who knows? Nobody knows. Anyway, as I told you, market cap 2.8 very, very strongly. Yesterday also we were actually above 3 billion. So as you understand, the situation right now is super, super bullish of where Kaspa is standing. And let's move into the hash rate, because as you can clearly see, another 88 daily, we see new 88s, 67.65 petahash per second. And I told you guys even before a month that Kaspa at the end days of November and early days of December, it will have exponentially big growth from a hash rate perspective. Okay, hash rate is the computational power into the Kaspa network from the mining machines, and due to the reason that early days of December, last days of November, we will see more batch of ASICs to be delivered into miners. So as you understand, more computational power will happen, and we will go straight to 3 digits after that period. Super bullish to welcome furthermore and bigger adoption. Okay, and the current hash rate is 64.25 petahash per second. Really, really bullish. To remind you, 4 to 5 petahash per second it was in the August. Okay, so imagine how big difference is now with ASICs. The protection of the network is like 100% more and beyond that. Anyway, the next reduction in 18 days, because we have monthly halving, not every 4 years. Super bullish. Okay, Kaspa has more increasement in the supply every month, and at the same time has more adoption, and even more adoption than the new supply. So this is why Kaspa, instead of see a drop every month, has insane increasement in the price and also in the demand from a market cap side. And let's go straight, guys, into the categories and to the top 10 addresses, because as you can clearly see, today we are standing above 250,000 addresses. Actually, we are 2,051,000 addresses. Yesterday we saw a bag. Okay, yesterday actually we were 2,050,000 addresses. Right now we are 2,051,000 addresses. We saw an increasement like 1,000 more, or who knows, because a bag happened and I don't know exactly how big is the increasement, but at the end of the day it's an increasement. Right now I don't know if it's 600 addresses or 1,000 addresses, okay, or 900 addresses. Anyway, it is what it is. And if you check the 24 hours, you will notice that we actually gained 432 more crab addresses, 498 more octopus addresses, 237 more fish addresses, 55 more dolphin addresses, 6 addresses of shark, and 1 whale address. As you can clearly see, the adoption is ongoing. Okay, we are growing every day. This is insane, especially this big rally right now. Everyone is FOMO. The FOMO of Kaspa is unreal. Everyone is trying to buy Kaspa and people cannot handle it. Okay, this is actually how the price cycle is moving. Okay, when we had like Kaspa under 5 cents, no one had the same interest as they have right now. This is the crazy thing. This is why you're a serious investor, and this is what we teach in WealthNet. You should buy before actually the rally, okay, before the massive rally. This is where you should get the FOMO. FOMO right now actually won't impact you in the short term. For us, for the early investors, this is insane. Like from my first buy signal in WealthNet, okay, in WealthNet, we bought the first buy signal at 0.015 cents. We are like 10x from here. It's insane, okay, 10x, guys. It's insane. And actually, personally, me as Chris, I went like all in, and I have years experience in the crypto space, and went all in my second signal at 2 cents. So Kaspa at 2 cents actually will multiply 10 times almost my whole net worth from crypto. It's insane. It's big, and that's only the beginning. This is how strong is my conviction for Kaspa. And I went all in 2 cents when no one was talking about Kaspa. Very few people, okay, very few people. Anyway, let's move into the top 10 addresses, because you will notice that in the top 10 addresses, we are standing in the same position as yesterday. KuCoin, 927 million Kaspa coins, and they got around in the page 10th another 20 million Kaspa coins. KuCoin is standing at 950 million Kaspa coins, very close to become Aquaman, okay, to reach the Aquaman status. And I believe KuCoin will be there. Is a matter of time, because they are in accumulation very, very aggressively. Also, Get.io remains in the same position as yesterday. Nothing changed. Like they put here another 5 to 9 million more than yesterday. Kaspa coins actually in the same position. We cannot say that this is a significant increasement. Mixi also is not in a significant situation. Like we have the same wallet balance with a slightly decreasement, okay, into their Kaspa balance. Uphold exactly in the same position, and the rest addresses is the same as yesterday. And let's move, guys, straight into the technical side of Kaspa, because right now I would like to show you what happened yesterday. Yesterday, for those who don't know, because yesterday we saw Kaspa to be listed in Binance futures only, not spots, because obviously if that was in spots, that was going to be an incredible rally, okay? That would skyrocket the Kaspa price straight to 2 cents for sure. And it could be even more, like 30 cents, 40 cents. When we're gonna see that news, that's gonna be incredibly bullish. And since that news that we saw some fluctuation in the price, ups and downs. Like the highest point here, it was 14 cents, and we saw at the same day like a decreasement in the price, serious decreasement back to 11 cents. Okay, we saw pam and dump like in the same day, and that's a lot, guys. It's not low. From 14 cents to 11 cents, it's like 26%. It's not that small difference, okay? It's 26%. It's a lot. And right now we are back to 13 cents with a red candle, because we opened the candle in a higher position close to 14 cents, and right now we are going straight to 13, or to drop below 13 cents and go at 12 cents area. Guys, from here the situations are multiple, okay? Nobody knows exactly what's gonna happen. I must prepare you for everything, and I would like to tell you that from Kaspa to jump higher, like to 20 cents from here, we will need obviously institutional investors to come into the game, okay? Retail investors cannot pump the price right now to 20 cents from here. It needs lots of big buying pressure, like with multi-millions, to get there to 20 cents. So we need to see fundamental news, like as we saw with Uphold, okay, and we saw a pump from 8 cents to 15 cents. We will need to see fundamental news to pump to 20 cents. So If we won't see those news, we have a probability to start a consolidation phase until we will see the news. Okay, so there is a scenario to see a consolidation phase with lots of ups and downs, and there is also the probability to see like a correction, slightly pullback back to 11 cents. And guys, here is gonna be this massive and crucial support of this massive aggressive uptrend movement of Kaspa, that guys, if we're gonna actually break this support, maybe we will experience a big correction, okay, a bigger correction. That the worst case scenario is actually to get back to this white line, that it was the beginning of this big rally. Okay, so the next support, maybe it will happen at the worst case scenario 7 cents. Okay, I told you that even from these days, if Kaspa actually from here will skyrocket in the price above 10 cents, that means that obviously we can have a potential correction. But the difference with from here is that if Kaspa will surpass the 10 cents area as it happened, it will have the correction in higher levels. So right now, my worst case scenario from this area that Kaspa is standing is the 7 cents. Okay, this is the worst case scenario, and more likely scenario, the 0.075 cents within 0.085 cents, just in the case if we will break this support, and also Bitcoin will do a correction. Okay, so we will observe that, because as you know, I rely more in fundamentals, and if from fundamental side we will see good news, no matter here if we have like the most bearish chart, fundamental news always skyrocket the price. This is why I rely 75% fundamentals, 25% technicals, or 80% fundamentals, 20% technicals. And this is what I suggest you to do too if you are looking to always be more precisely in your next price predictions or into the next moves. Don't rely 100% in technicals, especially for a fundamental project like Kaspa. And let's go straight into the BTC analysis, because as you can clearly see, Bitcoin is standing above this 35,500 crucial support. Okay, because you can clearly see since we broke it and we went up and we went back to for a retest, Bitcoin, it seems that is holding really strong this $35,500. And right now we are in a very crucial point that Bitcoin has two options: either to come back and break this $35,500, and that's going to create massive decreasement in the price. If this support will break, we will go straight for a lower price to retest the next support, that is the crucial support of $31,250. And it's crucial because in the bear market it was a crucial resistance. Okay, you can clearly see we retest that multiple times and we failed to surpass that. And also it was very strong support in the previous bull run, okay, 2021 bull run. It was one of the most crucial supports that since we broke it, we entered into a bear market. So I believe before halving we're gonna come back to $31,250. I don't believe that even in the worst case scenario that we will break again the 200 daily moving average. Okay, the worst case scenario, if we can come back to this $31,250, is actually to retest this 200 daily moving average and then bounce and get up into the next levels. And guys, the other scenario from here is actually to jump first to $40,000 and then to see the correction, the big correction. The most dangerous situation is to see Bitcoin to $40,000, because it's going to create false expectations that this is the beginning of the bull run. Okay, I believe first we will see the correction and then we will start building the bullish territory to welcome the bull run. Okay, this is how I believe we're going to play out. And let's go straight, guys, into the title of the video. If you hold or own, call it as you would like, above 100,000 Kaspa coins, and not only, even lower than that, you must watch this. And guys, I would like to speak about the predictions. How bullish is Kaspa and how early you are, and especially if you are in the dolphin status and you have like 100,000 Kaspa coins only, maybe some people consider that low. it's not low, guys. It's not low. And I'm going to show you what I mean. And if you put here 100,000 Kaspa coins, like you're going to notice that this amount right now worth $13,000. Okay. In the 2025, 2026, if Kaspa will surpass, if Kaspa will surpass the $10 area to become a dolphin, to become like a dolphin and actually achieve this status that right now we have above 14,000 addresses that are dolphins, guys, you will need $1 million. Do you realize that? $1 million. Like, I believe that Kaspa will be above $10. I believe that it can happen above $10. So imagine that in 2029 that we can potentially see Kaspa at $50, $60, like in prices like that, above $30, $40. To be dolphin, and have like above 100,000 Kaspa coins, it's gonna be so expensive. Like, you will need 2-3 million to be a dolphin. And even if you have like 50,000 Kaspa coins and you are fish right now, in 2029 to just have these 50,000 Kaspa coins, you will need to pay like $500,000. $500,000 just to have 50,000 Kaspa coins. So if Kaspa obviously surpass the $10. And if you go far beyond that, in the distant future, 2029, as I told you before, and we will see Kaspa $50, $60, $70, who knows? Because in 2029, we can have like smart contracts. And if we will see smart contracts, that's going to be the funeral of Ethereum. We will destroy Ethereum completely. And this is insane. This is insane how early we are. If we will destroy and we will see actually the smart contracts, it's over, guys. It's over. We will see massive immigration from Ethereum projects to Kaspa, because Kaspa is more efficient, than Ethereum, from lots of things. It's fair lands. It's not expensive. It's super cheap because Ethereum has ridiculous expensive gas fees. It's scalable on mainnet, not scalable with the help of layer 2s. It's faster. No pre-allocation coins. Ethereum had pre-allocation coins, 60 million Ethereum into insiders. It's proof of stake or proof of scam. I like more to call proof of stake proof of scam, because in reality, it's like our current existing system. Rich get richer with proof of stake, and the proof of work, everyone can participate into the network. It's accessible for everyone. So as you understand, guys, Kaspa definitely will flip Ethereum with the smart contracts. Smart contracts are in the second phase. First phase, Rustlang, 10 blocks per second. Second phase, Dagnite. And also maybe in the second phase, 32 blocks in the Rustlang. So as you understand, in the second phase, we will see, in the third phase, we will see smart contracts, and it's game over. Kaspa can flip everything, will be top 2, maybe top 1 like in 2033, if actually everyone will understand that Kaspa is the best project in crypto. It's the best project, guys. The best. It's far better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the only thing that with the Bitcoin right now is that Bitcoin has 14 years of its operation. If Kaspa will actually be 10 years project, that's it. That's it. People will use Kaspa. I'm pretty sure for that. And also, Kaspa, after 10 years from now, is going to be more scarce than Bitcoin. More scarce. Like, we're going to have 99% of the total supply out. The ultimate scarcity. You will see Kaspa in the next 10 years, like, in prices that you cannot even imagine. Like, I'm planning to do not sell like 50% of my portfolio for Kaspa ever. I'm planning like to keep my 50% of my Kaspa portfolio forever, because it's efficiency and because I see where it's gonna get. Obviously with the rest 50% that I will take profits, or 75% if under certain circumstances. I will explain what I mean in another video. I will buy back in the bear market, and I will hold like for the 2029. Anyway, That's what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. Guys, don't forget to check WealthNet, because WealthNet is a Patreon group that's designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. We are a community with like-minded investors, elite crypto investors like you will find inside, crypto millionaires, multi-millionaires, I can say, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, business owners, whatever you can imagine. Really, really elite people are inside of WealthNet. And not only, we have also the beginner ones that trying to build the first bull run success. Okay. Also in WealthNet, you will learn from people that already succeeded in the crypto and right now enjoy a wealthy life. You can avoid mistakes if you follow the guidance that we give you. Okay. And that's actually the ultimate formula for success. If you follow actually our guidance and you don't do mistakes that we did. Okay. And right now we are here to teach you to do not repeat our mistakes. This is why I created the WealthNet, this Patreon group. Also, guys, we have private live streams, 3 private live streams stable, 2 to 3 more like emergency per week, like without standard time. And if you are looking to become in the inner cycle of WealthNet via lifetime, the payments is via crypto. And guys, as you see here, you're gonna have more benefits. If you are interested to join to the round table of WealthNet, send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a brief introduction around yourself, about yourself, and we will actually review that. And if you're eligible to join with us, we will give you the next steps. And also for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos? Guys, I store my Kaspa in a cold storage, the safest way. This is the safest way to store your Kaspa. My recommendation is Tadzim wallet with a discount code CryptoChris. You will have 10% off in your purchase. If you click here the Tadzim link, it's gonna get you straight to this site, and up right in the corner, press get Tadzim. It's gonna put you in that page. I recommend you 3-card set over the 2-card set. You have one more option to do a mistake and lose a card. Okay, if you have the 3-card set, and don't forget to write here in the promo code section CryptoChris to get your 10% off. Highly, highly recommended if you want to sleep well and safely in the nights. Okay. That's the video. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. And I will see you all in my next video. Until my next video, your boy Chris is out. Bye.